Hello, welcome to day 4, the last day of Module 5 of Unit 2. Today is Thursday, October 22nd. Let's see what we have to complete for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. You have a few activities to do. It is Thursday, so I merge all of the activities for the weekend in one place. Make sure you do something every day. You have a Schoology post. So this Schoology post, you are going to write a topic, you are going to write a claim and a point of view. On Tuesday, you had a Nearpod about topic, point of view, and claim. So if you don't remember what that is, please go back to Tuesday async and go through that Nearpod again. So here you have two topics. The first topic, Carlos Rosario should offer free daycare services for all student and staff. So the topic is free daycare services at Carlos Rosario. Topic 2, the U.S. government should offer health care for all citizens. Now, what I would like for you to do, you need to choose one of the two topics. And then in the comments section in the box, you are going to type the name of your topic and you are going to give your point of view, a story of how this topic affects you. Okay? And then you will do your claim. What is the problem with the topic and what is the solution to the problem? Okay? And that is all you're typing here. Yes, today in Sync, we went through different topics, claims, and point of view. So if you forget, you can go to the Sync for today for more assistance. All right. Please remember to check spelling and grammar before you post. Our next async activity is in MEL, and you're going to do the close reading, telecommunicating. Okay, telecommuting. All right, follow the steps. Please make sure you are doing the MEL activities. They are very, very important to help you progress. Your next activity is in Spark. So we have one more week. So this should be article number 6 for you for this week, for this month. Your second for the week and your 6th for this month. Okay, so you're going to read the article, Preparing to Interview, and you're going to answer the activity questions. All right. And the deliverable. So you have a flip grid that you must do, and you can click here to go directly to the flip grid. If that does not work, go to flipgrid.com, put this code, and sign in with your CR email. The directions are here. So what you will be doing, you are going to answer interview questions. Okay, you're going to use the present perfect, and you have some questions. You're going to read this and you're going to describe your work experience, okay? And you're going to use have or has plus the past participle, and here are some examples. All right. Please make sure you do the flip grid. It is very helpful, especially if you plan on going to an interview soon. That's it for async. Let's go to sync. So as I mentioned before, it's Thursday, and that means we will have our large class together. All right. So some of the things we're going to do an activity called My Bucket List. All right. So you're going to read a paragraph and look for present perfect and highlight them. All right. And here is the paragraph. So every use of the present perfect you will highlight. Then in your groups, you will do an activity with topic, point of view, POV, and claim. So each group has a paragraph that they're going to look at and they will highlight those three things. And that's it. Good luck.